Hello dear Cancer, welcome back to my channel and this is your 4th week exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you're new to my channel, welcome and please do subscribe. If you want to know more about personal readings, rituals or counseling sessions that I do, then please stay tuned till the end. I will give you more information on how to book. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In your love life, you've got the Pope card and the Judgment card. So we are going to start with your love life first. I do see that you are waiting or hoping on some sort of commitment or relationship or marriage proposal, or you have to choose between a lot of multiple options coming your way. Like, should I date first, or should I straight away get engaged, or should I choose this person or that person for marriage? It's like that where you have to make some important decisions regarding your personal life. It can also be that you maybe have to buy a house or a plot, or change the decor, because I do see that you are decorating something, you're celebrating something, and you have to make important decisions regarding your personal life, your home. The cards are asking you to think carefully before you make that decision, especially when it comes to your relationship or marriage. You have to weigh the pros and cons. Do not be impulsive, no matter how strong the pressure is from your peers or your parents. You have to make sure that you are making the right choice for you. Okay, so for that, you have to put yourself in that place, that will I be happy in this house or in this location or in this country for that matter with this person, for the next 5-10 years. Will that affect my job? Do I want to continue working? All these situations that affect your personal life, that affect your marriage or relationships, is what you have to consider. But I do see that you're going to make some really good choices, hopefully, and you're going to enjoy this period of your life. A lot of success is coming your way when it comes to your relationships. So I do see a smooth relationship this week. Also, if you're single, then this is for you. And if you are already married or in relationship and you had problems, they will go away. And if you have to make important choices regarding your relationship, like if you're in a relationship taking the next step, that is marriage or engagement, then this will be the week for you. And if you're already married, then I do see you doing something together, right? Or setting new boundaries on how to solve the problem, like not going to bed fighting, right? Because whatever you have been doing so far maybe has not worked out for you. So I do see that you are going to change something in your equation, right? Maybe change the friend circle, or maybe draw some more boundaries on how to approach somebody, like that. So yes, some major decisions are supposed to be taken, whether you are single, relationship, situationship, or married. This is going to be a very important week for you, or it could be that you are celebrating something together, or you're attending weddings or engagements together. It can be that as well, right? Let's move to your career. You've got the 7 of Moons and the 3 of Suns. Well, I do see that you have really high expectations when it comes to your career. Like, you want to reach the top, you want to earn millions, and maybe really fast. All that might not work out this week. Well, it's like a situation where you're getting a lot of success, but because you had a very high expectation, you are disappointed. So if you do not want to be disappointed, if you really want to enjoy the success that you're getting, because you are getting a success, then you need to lower your expectations. 4th week is not a time to have fantasies. So be realistic when you're expecting something. Like, people who are waiting for exam results, be realistic. If you have gotten if you expecting 90s but you've got 70s, then that is also okay. If you are expecting to hear from a top 5 university and that doesn't happen, and you get into a top 10 university, that is also okay. At least you got in. So that kind of success is coming your way. Maybe you were waiting some sort of promotion, or if you have a business, more client or more money, but maybe you only reached half or 50%, then please be happy with that as well, right? So because you have moved forward, you have got some sort of success. If not 10, then you've got the 5 as well. So please be realistic. Please look at the success that you're getting rather than what you're not getting, and you will be very happy. Also, I do see you moving into a new direction. So probably you are changing cities or state or country. Maybe you're going, uh, getting a new job, going to a university, new school, new college, or you're starting something new like a new business, or you're changing something, right? Changing a house, changing the place. I do see newness in your energy. I also see very important decisions that you need to take. Overall, I do see that there's a very positive vibe to your reading. Okay, so be positive, lower your expectations, and a lot of success and happiness is coming your way. It is a very happy week. uh, Decisions are also very important for you this week, but a very happy week. Overall, you're getting success and good answers, good decisions, a yes all around, right? I do see this is a brilliant week for you guys. So if you guys resonated with my reading, do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know what is your situation, and I would love to read, like, and reply to as many as possible. And lastly, if you would like to book any personal reading, if you have specific questions on your mind regarding love, health, career situation, family, anything, you can book a personal reading. If you would like to book rituals like a manifestation Bailey's ritual or a blockage removal ritual, if you feel stuck in any area of your life, then these are easy, simple, powerful rituals. You don't need a lot of ingredients, you don't need thousands of money, but very cheap. Also, I do have packages available for people who are single. I have a different package. For people in love, I have a different package. And people with career requirements, I have a different package. Every package comes with a remedy as well to remove the blockages from that area of your life. Lastly, I do counseling sessions as well. Now, spiritual counseling session is where I will be talking to your angels and giving you a remedy on what is blocking you. I will be hearing you out. I will be sharing your burdens. I will be guiding you the right path as well. And if you have any top secrets which you are ashamed of sharing with anyone else, fearing that it will get leaked or something, please come to me, right? Please talk. This is a session where you can talk, we can ask for guidance, or you can ask questions as well, right? So to book any kind of reading or ritual or session, you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on Instagram as well, which is the Moksha Tarot. All these details are mentioned in my description box as well as my bio. And guys, please also follow me on Instagram, because here I'm only going to meet you weekly. There I post details on a daily basis, like what prices, what rituals should be done and when, any new service that I have launched, any discounts that are going on, so that you are updated. Alright. So take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Bye bye.